For our Term 3 science project, we are going to be completing a 3-phase egg drop challenge. How can you create a container to keep an egg safe when dropped from a set height? Have you ever wondered what it would be like to be an engineer? You get to try. What would it take to protect an egg if it were to be dropped from a 6-foot ladder? What if we dropped the egg from our school roof? Would you use the same design or something different? What container would you engineer in order to keep an egg safe when dropped from a fire truck's ladder? There are so many possibilities to complete this project. Every container can look different, yet every person can succeed. You will be able to experience all 3 of these situations. The process for each phase will be the same. You will discuss design options with your partner. You will draw your design on paper. You will create a materials shopping list, and you will be able to pick those items up from our inventory table. Then you will begin building. For the first phase, your container will be dropped from a 6-foot ladder. You will be able to build your container from 12 items. For phase 2, you will create a container to be dropped from the roof of our school using only 8 items of your choice. For phase 3, you may choose to work alone or with a partner. There is no restriction on the number of items you may use to build your container. However, the container needs to be easily carried by the firefighters up the fire truck's ladder to be dropped. Why would we be doing this project? The purpose of this project is to incorporate science and engineering skills into a design while having fun. Now it's time to get those brains going. What design will you choose? What items will you select? Ready, set, go!